Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how we can disconnect Facebook from Monopoly Go. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application and after that open it. Next, you have to click on that three lines and click on settings. Next, you have to click on connect account. Here you will see disconnect option in Facebook. You have to click on that and again click on disconnect. So now your Facebook is disconnected from Monopoly Go. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.